With orcharhino, we provide solutions for real-world infrastructure problems. Customers told us their workflows for managing Ansible were fragmented, error-prone, and hard to scale, so we rebuilt our Ansible integration from the ground up. This is a development preview of Ansible Director, our new and improved Ansible integration for orcharhino. We are greatly improving the way orcharhino handles Ansible content. All imports happen through a single UI, eliminating manual steps involving the orcharhino proxy. Collections and roles are now distinct and versioned, allowing you to import many different revisions of both. Bulk imports via a requirements file are also possible, making life easier for administrators of large workflows. We support Ansible Galaxy today, with Git support coming in production. Ansible version incompatibilities and dependency problems have also been mitigated. With Ansible Execution Environments, which are a specialized type of container image, we are providing a sandboxed, tested and certified environment for Ansible to run in. This power is also extended to the user, allowing you to create custom-tailored execution environments, thereby giving you full control over Ansible version, container-based image and built-in content. This further isolates workflows and eliminates dependency clashes. Finally, we added a second, new and decoupled lifecycle management system exclusively for Ansible content. You can now assign multiple Ansible content versions to multiple hosts with ease. Custom promotion paths such as dev, test, prod, or any workflow you define allow you to manage content exactly the way your organization needs. Rolling out Ansible content to hundreds of hosts takes just a few clicks. Beyond these core features, we've made everything easier to use. A clean, flat UI makes navigation simpler and more intuitive. Full API access enables seamless automation and integration. Organization-level controls ensure efficient management in multi-tenant environments. Now, everything you need for Ansible lifecycle management is centralized and consistent. Ansible Director is still in development as of Q3 2025. You can see it in action at the orcharhino Summit on the 14th of October, which is our annual event where IT professionals, automation experts and system architects come together to explore the future of infrastructure automation.